Tired of sitting on rocks and cold ground while camping? A bad chair can ruin your comfort and your trip, but the right one gives you support, durability, and real relaxation after a long day outdoors. In this video, I'll share the best camping chairs that are sturdy, comfy, and perfect for every adventure. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 are the Kajaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chairs, a fan favorite among campers, tailgaters, and outdoor enthusiasts. What sets these chairs apart is their dual lock technology, a sturdy, locking frame that snaps into place so you stay upright and balanced, even on uneven terrain. The breathable mesh back and comfortable seat support you without making you feel overheated, and the breathable fabric is durable enough for repeated outdoor use. These chairs also feature 2 side pockets, including a zippered one for essentials and a mesh pocket for drinks, snacks, or your phone. When it's time to pack up, the chair folds quickly and easily into a carry bag with shoulder strap, making it ideal for car camping and festivals. While it's not the lightest option on the list, the stability and comfort this chair offers for the price make it a great entry choice for anyone upgrading from basic folding chairs. At number 4, we've got the One Tigris Tiger Blade Camping Chair, a lightweight and rugged chair designed for backpackers, hikers, or anyone who needs portability without sacrificing strength. This chair uses a unique blade-style leg design that balances weight distribution and enhances stability on uneven or rocky ground, a big plus when you're deep in the wilderness. The seat is made from tough, water-resistant fabric that keeps you dry even after morning dew or light rain. Another key feature is the chair's compact footprint. It packs down small and weighs far less than traditional camping seats, which means you can easily attach it to your backpack or carry it in hand without strain. Despite its lightweight design, this chair doesn't skimp on comfort. It has a slightly reclined seating angle that lets you lean back and relax after a long hike. If you're into backpacking, trail camping, or just want a chair that won't kill your shoulders on the way to the campsite, the Tiger Blade is a smart choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Sweet Crispy Zero Gravity Chair, a premium seat that takes outdoor comfort to the next level. Unlike traditional folding chairs, this chair features a zero-gravity recline system, meaning it rocks and reclines you back into a weightless position that significantly reduces pressure on your back and joints. It's perfect for campfires, beach days, fishing trips, or simply lounging in your backyard with a cold drink. The sturdy steel frame supports heavier weight and feels solid even when fully reclined. The fabric is breathable yet durable, resisting stretching and wear even after repeated use. Cup holders and side pouches keep your drinks and accessories within reach, and the chair folds flat for easy transport. It's heavier than your typical camping seat, but for anyone who values comfort above all else, especially on long, lazy days outdoors, this zero-gravity chair delivers a level of relaxation few others can match. Runner-up on our list is the Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair, a beast of a chair built for maximum comfort and reliability. Whether you're tall, broad, or just like your chair with extra room, this oversized design gives you space and back support that most standard chairs can't match. The heavy-duty steel frame is engineered for durability and can support larger weight capacities without feeling unstable. What really makes this chair shine is the wide seat and high back, which lets you lounge comfortably for hours. Perfect for tailgating before the game, sitting around a bonfire, or relaxing on a long fishing trip. The added side pocket and cup holder keep your essentials within arm's reach, while the padded armrests make long stints of sitting far more comfortable. It folds down easily into a carry bag, though it's slightly heavier than average, but honestly, the trade-off is worth it if comfort and space are priorities for you. And our number 1 pick is the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair, a truly standout seat that brings a whole new level of comfort to outdoor seating. This chair combines the portability of a folding chair with the relaxing motion of a rocker, so you can gently sway back and forth while you sip your coffee, watch the sunset, or chat with friends around the campfire. The patented spring-action rocking technology delivers a smooth, stable rocking motion even on grass, dirt, or uneven surfaces. The sturdy frame and padded armrests make it comfortable for long periods, while the cup holder keeps your beverage secure and accessible. Unlike most camp chairs, this one feels like an outdoor recliner that doesn't sacrifice durability for comfort. It's easy to fold up and carry, and it's rated to support both kids and adults comfortably. If you're someone who loves kicking back and truly relaxing outdoors, the GCI Freestyle Rocker is worth every penny. Here's a buying guide to help you choose the best camping chair for your outdoor trips. When shopping for a camping chair, focus on comfort, durability, and portability. A good chair should provide solid back support, a comfortable seat height, and sturdy armrests, especially if you plan to sit for long periods around the campfire. Check the frame material. Steel frames offer strength and stability, while aluminum frames are lighter and easier to carry. Fabric quality matters too. Look for weather-resistant, breathable materials that won't sag over time. Weight capacity is important, so choose a chair that safely supports the user while remaining stable on uneven ground. If you travel light or hike to your campsite, prioritize compact, lightweight designs with carry bags. Extra features like cup holders, padded seats, reclining backs, or storage pockets add convenience and comfort. Finally, balance your budget with how often you camp. Casual campers may prefer affordable basics, while frequent campers benefit from investing in a durable, high-comfort chair.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!